11th, subject physics, chapter unit and measurements, topic rounding of the uncertainty digits. Rounding of the uncertainty digits. राउंडिंग ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी डिजिट्स के लिए हमें 3 केसेस याद रखने हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट, less than 5, greater than 5, is equal to 5. If the last digit is less than 5, then it is simply dropped. For example, 1.943 is rounded to 1.94 because last digit is less than 5. Number 1 case. Number 2, if the last digit is greater than 5, then the digit on its left is increased by 1. For example, 1.47 is rounded to 1.5 because 7 is greater than 5. One more case. One more case. 5. If the last digit is equal to 5, for example 2 plus 2.345, 3.135. If we have to round this 2.345, if dropped digit is even, then rounded is 2.34. If the dropped digit is 3 odd, then we write 3.14. While rounding of the digits, we use the following rules. Number case first, if the last digit is less than 5, then it is simply dropped. For example, 1.943 is rounded to 1.94. Case second, if the last digit is greater than 5, then the digit on its left is increased by 1. For example, 1.47 is rounded to 1.5 because 7 is more than 5. If the last digit is 5, then it is rounded to get nearest even number. For example, 1.35 is rounded to 1.4. Some problems. Question: a round off to 2 significant figures. In a round of 2.43 to 2 significant figures. A round of 243 to 2 significant figures. Suppose 2.43. 3 is dropped. 3 is dropped. Therefore, significant of 2 digits is 2.4. 2.4. And a round of 2.43 to 2 significant figures is 2.4 because 3 is less than 5. A round of 2.26 to 2 significant digits is 2.3. 2.3 because 2 is less than 5. 2 is because 5 is greater than 6 is greater than 5. Because 6 is greater than 5, therefore a round of 2.26 is 2.5. we increase this 2.26, we increase this increase 2 by 1 and plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 3. Round off 2 plus 5, 1 is 2.3. Round off 2.52, 2.53, 2.57. Suppose 2.51, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 9 जो भी डिजिट है इनका राउंड ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट है 2.3 एक्सेप्ट जीरो यानी 2.51, 2.52, 2.53, 2.54, 2.56, 7 etc. 1 to 9 is 2.3 because except 0 2.25 is equal to 2.2 2.250 अगर 0 है तो 2.2 ही हम लिख सकते हैं if even as it is in 2.25 2.250 जो राउंडिंग ऑफ हमें निकालनी है सपोज 2 डिजिट तक अगर ये इवन है तो हम 2.22 ही लिखेंगे 2.22 ही लिखेंगे अगर ऑड है 2.35 2.350 तो हम 3 को एक ऐड करेंगे 2.4 round off to 3 significant figures. For example, 2.520 round off to 3 significant figures. 2.520 since 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. Preceding digit is left unchanged, yani unchanged. Hence, rounded number is 2.52. 4.645, since the digit to be dropped is 5. Since the digit to be dropped is 5 and preceding digit is 4. 4 is even. Hence, rounded number is 4.64. 4.64. 22.78. 8 is greater than 5. This 7 is raised by 1. Hence number is 22.8. Because 8 is greater than 5, we add 7 by 1, increase it by 1. Therefore, hence number is 22.8. 36.35. Since the digit to be dropped is 5, preceding digits is 3. 3 is odd. Hence the number is 36.4. 36 if odd, then we have to add 1 this number. If even it is if even as it is 36.35 since 5 we have to, the digit to be dropped is 5. Before 5 there is odd, hence we have to add 1, 36.4. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Rule first. For addition or subtraction, during addition or subtraction, the number of decimal places in the result should be equal to the smallest number of decimal places of terms in the operation. For example, 8.211 plus 1.1. 8.211 plus 1.1 is equal to 9.311. 9.311 इन दो में से जिसका डेसिमल प्लेस कम है यानी 8.211 1.1 has 1 decimal, 1.1 has 2 decimal place, therefore the answer is 9.3. इन जो में से सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स कम है वही हम लिखेंगे यानी 8.211 प्लस 1.93 जब हम ऐड करेंगे 9.931 1.1 has less decimal places, so answer is 9.3. So answer is 9.3. 25.692 minus 13.56 is equal to 12.132. 13.56 has two decimal places. Answer is 12.13. Two decimal places. Rule second, for multiplication or division, during multiplication or division, the number of significant figures in the final result is same as the smallest number of significant figures in any of the factors. For example, 6.4 into 0.2 is equal to 1.28. 6.4 into 0.2 is equal to 1.28. 0.2 has least significant figures, that is 1. That is 1. Hence answer is 1. Hence answer is 1. 6.4 into 0.2 is equal to 1.28. 0.2 has least significant figures, that is 1. Hence answer is 1. 36.48 divided by 12 is equal to 3.04. 12 has two significant figures, therefore the answer is 3.0. Thank you.